Hi folks, welcome back to another video for the B-29 restoration project. For those following along, obviously the fuselage is not sitting right side up anymore. We'll get back to that here in a minute. This isn't really anything as far as a lot of progress going on, just kind of a quick little update as far as what is happening and what the progress has been so far. We're now on the 4th of June, I believe it is. It's a Monday. First one of June, and really it's just kind of a video to get a quick little update, since I had a lot of people make comments this past week at the Warbirds and Classics over Fredericksburg, Virginia, about how quick the progress is going and just how impressive it's been. And really, the airplane's a lot further along than what the videos are looking like currently. So first things first, about 2 weeks ago, we got a huge influx of donations, which I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has donated at this point. And we also were reached by Mr. Charlie Smith at Bob Smith Industries about donating some adhesives for the project. So that's the box we've got here. I haven't really gone through it yet, but I'm sure it's lots of good stuff, lots of stickers, you know, all the swag stuff, and just all kinds of good stuff. We got some accelerator, we got some 30-minute epoxy, some thin CA. What else we got in here? That's some more epoxy. Little separator boards and stuff. I mean, this will all be really great stuff. And I want to say thank you to Charlie. Thank you to everybody there at Bob Smith Industries for their donations. We'll definitely make use of all of those adhesives on the project. Couple other things we've started buying for the project based off of all of the donations. We got our 1 of 3 gallons of primer. This is the stuff that I typically roll onto the airplane after it's fiberglassing. It's made by Evercoat. It's a Durabuild. It's typically just a regular spray filler primer and sealer, and it works amazing, especially for freshly fiberglass stuff. And then I've been picking up some other smaller quantities of things for the paint job once we get there, if that's what we decide to go for. The first one is from AK Interactive. It's called a Super Chrome. I believe this is a alcohol ink that you just spray on a couple of heavy coats on, and it really, let me pop the cap here, you see it's got a very shiny look to it. I've sprayed a little bit of this on the flaps, or not the flaps, but the elevator and one of the rudder where the trim tabs would be, and it creates a really impressive shiny finish. So that's one option. The downside to this is this little, I want to say it's a 1.5 ounce bottle. It's about 20 bucks, and I think this one bottle is enough for maybe a horizontal stabilizer, so it would be very, very expensive. A couple other options we've got going on. I bought a bunch of different types from Alclad 2. These are just it's like thinner than water, it looks like, but it's got a metallic pigment that is suspended inside the carrier, which we'll call whatever type of chemical or that is. And we got a couple of different ones. We got chrome, we got regular aluminum, then we got some high shine plus aluminum, and then some polished aluminum. And I got these 4 because I think these will give a pretty good representation of what a semi fresh off the assembly line but not quite polished type of airplane is. But more into that when we get to it. I'm going to make a couple of pretty large test panels to test some stuff out. The biggest difference between these 4 and this product you can spray directly over primer, and it pretty much gives you a nice shine. All of these require a glossy black base coat, which for anyone who does any sort of painting, you know gloss black shows everything, which means any little divot or dent or wave, it's a nightmare to do gloss black paint jobs. So anyway, that's what we got there for paint job test potential. That's hopefully sooner rather than later, but not too soon. I'm not looking forward to gloss black paint job if that's what we end up doing. As far as the B-29 restoration itself, As you can see, the last video we were working on the left side top wing, I believe is the one that was released yesterday. Obviously the fuselage is not right side up anymore, which means we are working on the bottom now. I'm not gonna do a whole lot as far as what's going on with this thing. We'll save that for the rest of the videos, but it's just to basically show you guys that progress is a lot further along than what the videos suggest. And the plan, well, not the plan, the goal right now is to have all of the repairs and the upgrades as far as the gear doors and things done and the airplane painted by the end of the summer. That's right, repairs done, upgrades done, painted by the end of the summer. That is the goal. If we can make that happen, this airplane will 80% likely be flying next summer. I say 80% likely because it really comes down to buying the engines and everything. So right now we've got around $1,500 I've had donated to the airplane. Again, thank you for everyone who has donated. And of that $1,500, that's pretty much paid for the paint. And then we've got a bunch of carbon fiber coming on, is on order, that should be here tomorrow. That'll help reinforce the center section and the fuselage where the crack is. But that $1,500, man, whew, it went quick. It paint is expensive. I think 3 gallons of primer was almost $500 with shipping. So it's gonna be an expensive airplane, but it's totally gonna be worth it. So anyways, like I said, it's not really too much effort as far as what's going on with it. I just wanted to show you guys a quick little update, say thank you again to the Bob Smith Industries and everyone there, Charlie Smith, and then everyone who has donated to the project so far. Again, a big thank you from me and my son. We are super excited about this thing. We are really ready to show it off, and the ideas we have as far as what we expect it to look like when it's done and painted is going to blow your socks off if it comes out how we have it envisioned. So again, thank you everybody. Thanks for your support. Again, like, subscribe, you know, do all that famous YouTube stuff that everybody wants you to do. And if you could, we would really greatly appreciate your support even more with a donation. Again, nothing, no small, no matter how small it is, greatly, greatly appreciated. So until the next video, y'all have a great day, and we'll see you back later.